today I will be unboxing this Bachmann 060 used steam locomotive I bought on eBay. So let's go ahead and get started. Gotta open it at the top. This is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. There you go. So we've got it open. Let's see what's inside. There's a receipt, a whole bunch of packing peanuts, and here is the item in question. So let's open it. Wow, they really packed this stuff up. And it also came with the tender. So. And here we have it, the locomotive. Now let's look for the tender. Got the tender. And here's the tender. Now let's test it. I want to compare it to my other locomotive, very similar to it. So here is the one I just got. And here is my other locomotive. They are almost identical, which is really neat. So let's go over details real quick. Starting with the tender. The tender is an actual real style of a tender, not a slope tender. Got a Bachmann easy coupler right here. It's got plastic collode and rivets. Now it's a locomotive. This locomotive is way more complex than my other one, because my other one, as you can see, only has 2 rods on the side. This one has all 3 that it's meant to have. And I think this is a rare locomotive because it's Rio Grande, as you can see on the tender. Anyway. So the front is silver, which is different. The other side is the same. Alright, now let's test it. On the truck, let's see if it runs. Oh. Let's put on the tender now. Alright. Now I've hooked up a double header. Let's see how this looks. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe this video, and look forward to more videos with this locomotive in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye.